It's okay. You don't have to stop giggling. It's all right. Hi, everybody. This is Ron, Gadget Man, and today is December the 14th of 2011, and we are at my home/shop. You can hear my brand new dog in there yelping. All right. Anyway, we just finished a modification on a car today for a beautiful young lady, and I'm going to let her introduce herself. Oh, don't giggle. You know it's true. All right. So tell everybody out there in Gadget Man Land who you are.
I'm Carly Delaney.
Okay.
And I own the red Chrysler Sebring.
This one right here?
Yes, that
okay.
one.
All right. Okay. Tell us about it, how it's been before and whatever.
Well, before it seemed like a normal vehicle. And now I feel like I don't know how to drive it. And it goes really fast.
It's really fast?
Yes.
Okay, now you saw what was done to it.
Yes.
Right. Was there any fancy hocus pocus or magic done with the computer or anything like that?
No.
No, okay.
Definitely not.
When you took it out and drove it, did you notice anything different?
It was like really sensitive when I gassed it.
Do you like that?
Yes, I do. It could be dangerous.
Do you have anything out there you'd like to tell anybody? I mean, you can say anything you want to, Carly.
Well, anything to say? Oh
anything
my
at all.
goodness. They should do it because it makes a difference.
How's your exhaust?
Smells like a blow dryer.
So
Very
what?
Clean.
How many cosmetologists, beauticians? What do you call yourself?
Estheticians.
Estheticians. How many estheticians actually get down and put their mouth
Face
anywhere
down
near
there?
anywhere near an exhaust pipe?
All of them.
They should, shouldn't they?
Yes.
All right. So, what did you find when you got down there?
It was very clean. Like it didn't smell at all, actually.
Yeah,
like nothing.
Like nothing.
Nothing dirty.
Is that good?
Yes.
So to the other 2001 Chrysler Sebring LXI owners out there, do you think that you would recommend to them that they get the groove?
Yes. Do
Damn,
it.
you didn't even hesitate, girl.
Do it.